Good evening, everyone. I'm Mrs. Ohms. I teach the health science technology classes at Heron High School, which includes orientation to health occupations, medical terminology, med lab, and emergency medical responder. I also sponsor a club called HOSA. HOSA stands for Health Occupation Students of America. And every year students have an opportunity. We affiliate with Illinois HOSA. That gives them the opportunity to compete in medical competitions. I had 42 students this year qualify for state in the preliminary rounds. HOSA State is what we call it. It was scheduled for late March, and obviously that was canceled. We had 27 in the end that were set up, ready to go, paid, all that, prepared, and then it was canceled. So HOSA created a virtual conference and went with the information that was already submitted and the testing that had already been taken. And I'm very proud to say I had some top 10 winners in the whole state of Illinois, as well as one top 3. So today I will be honoring or acknowledging those that scored in the top 10. I will also be acknowledging my officers for HOSA Club, and then every year I do an outstanding HOSA member. So when I was watching the slideshow yesterday for the virtual, I just took pictures as I was watching it, Illinois HOSA. So medical reading. Andrew Jacobson scored in the top 10, as well as he is my one top 3. He scored number 3 in medical reading. He had to read 5 books and then take a test on it, which qualifies him to compete at a national level now. Clinical nursing, I had Bailey Hudgens finish in the top 10. Her actual placing was 5th, I believe. Dental science, I have Layla Wade, who placed for Heron High School. Her actual placing was 6th out of 10. Veterinary science, I had Olivia Hilliard place. I believe her actual placing was 6th as well. Job seeking skills, I'm very excited. We had the Career Essentials workshop, and I think it helped the kids. Bailey Hudgens, Zoe Williams, and Melissa Donahue. Heron High School, 3 of the top 10, over thousands of students. Awesome. Parliamentary procedure is a team. I took a team of, or we had a team of seniors prepared. Our seniors placed in the top 7. That group includes Madison Blankenship, Sophia Hughes, Hayden Mofield, Samantha Robertson, Shani May, Paige Dugood, and Josh Hancock. Also recognized at the event are the organizational leaders. So Shani May and Sophia Hughes were the flag bearers, and Madison Blankenship and Samantha Robinson were the voting delegates. And there are my lovely officers, -1. My president, Shani May, vice president, Macy Parks, secretary, Madison Blankenship, treasurer, Maddox Yates, historian, Riley Grau, reporter, Sophia Hughes, parliamentarian, Bailey Hudgens, and not pictured is Rylan Mizzo, who is sergeant-in-arms. And that brings us to my outstanding HOSA member of the year. I keep track of participation points, and this person had the most participation points as far as she was always willing to volunteer, always there, works hard. She also placed in 2 different categories in the top 10, and that person is very well deserved, Bailey Hudgens. Thank you all for listening. I'm proud of all my HOSA kids for trying. We had a good group. Wish we could have made it up there. And that's all I have. Good night.